SEO is a complex thing. There are many moving parts, and in this video, I'm going to run you through the three main types of SEO and what each one means. Towards the end, I'll show you a strategy to quickly improve your SEO for quick organic results. There are three main categories of SEO. There's on-page, off-page, and technical. Then these are the main categories. These are then broken down into smaller subcategories and then further again and again and again and so on and so forth. Each hold fairly equal weight when performing search engine optimization across your site, and each plays a role in the likelihood of your website ranking for any particular search term. On-page SEO covers things like your content and content marketing strategy, your keywords and the densities within your content, internal and external linking for authority and building siloed content, image placements, and meta tags such as your title, description tags. Whereas technical SEO covers things like HTML and coding quality, site performance and usability metrics such as core web vitals, the use of HTTPS and SSL, HTML compliance, which plays a much larger role than most expect, especially when considering HTML5 tags like nav, article, A-side, header, and footer. Your website's content structure and architecture also comes into place, and the schema markup of your site. And finally, off-page SEO, which covers things like inbound links such as your link building and your outreach, brand reputation, equity management, and things like your press releases, your publications. And finally, offline activities, which often is overlooked but plays a large part in where you're positioned on search engines, especially for localized terms. Any good SEO will cover all three. Unfortunately, for the most part, your everyday SEO agency isn't going to. Typically, they'll focus on one or two. It's rare to find an agency that has the skill set and the team that will focus on all three. Often, technical SEO is classed as out of the control of an SEO, or they don't hold the knowledge to make coding changes that'll improve performance or schema, or rely on tools to do the task for them with subpar results. It's strongly recommended that you find an agency like ours, for example, that'll cover not only all three categories, but everything within them. If you're doing your own SEO, make sure to find someone that can do the tasks you are less confident in and focus on the categories that you can do with ease. SEO is highly technical. It's not as simple as most describe it. Write content, build links, and ta-da! There are endless strategies to building content, structuring the content, and then building domain-wide authority to said content. Using a strategy like Google EAT or siloed method can help structured content, but then you have keyword research, editing, and internal linking using correct anchor distributions. Link building gets complicated when you have various types of links, such as naked links, contextual, geographically relevant links, contextually relevant, and authoritative, which can easily be manipulated on third-party research tools that'll end you in Google's big book of penalties. Here is my tip. Every 3 months, go over every single page of your website, checking for internal link opportunities to new publications and articles that were not published when the particular page was made. Edit the content slightly, fix grammatical, punctual, and spelling mistakes, whilst also simplifying the content. Google loves up-to-date content. By keeping your content fresh, internal links, keep up to date with making the readability of your content easier, everyone will win. We do this for clients, and it's a guaranteed way to generate quick wins. For more information on types of SEO and the breakdowns of each one, take a read of our link below to our blog article where we cover absolutely everything. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a comment or hitting the like button. It helps us know your thoughts and how we can improve our video. For more guides on SEO, web design, and paid advertising, take a look at our YouTube channel and consider subscribing for all the latest techniques, strategies to improving your business online using those methods. There are some videos around me that can help you find new content on our channel. Please consider having a look.